Now here is another question based on shift of origin. By shifting the origin to suitable point h, k, reduce the equation 4x square plus 9y square plus 16x minus 18y plus 24 equal to 0 to capital X square upon a square plus capital Y square upon b square equal to 1, where a and b are positive and axes remaining parallel. Also we have to find the h, k, that's the new origin, and the values of a and b. Right. So looking at the equation, we are already aware that the capital X can be written as small x minus h the whole square upon a square plus small y minus k the whole square upon b square equal to 1. So this gives us a hint that if you observe now, we have to bring the given equation in this particular form. So that means since we are seeing the square term, it's a clear hint that we need to complete the square in the original equation and bring it precisely in this form. And remember that there is a subtraction here, that is x minus something subtracted. So whatever is getting subtracted from x, that will be nothing but h, and similarly whatever gets subtracted from y, that will be k, and the denominators will be a square and b square respectively. So let us try to bring the original equation in the required format. So to begin with, let us collect all the x terms. So I have 4x square plus 16x collected. Then let us collect the y terms, that is 9y square minus 18y plus 24 equal to 0. Now we can take 4 common. So we have x square plus 4x from first bracket, and from second bracket we can take 9 common, which gives us y square minus 2y plus 24 as it is equal to 0. Now if we observe, to complete the square in the first bracket, we need to add 4 as the last term, and similarly to complete the square in the second bracket, we need to add plus 1, isn't it? So now to balance the constant term, if you observe, this 4 into 4 is 16 and 9 into 1 is 9. So 16 plus 9 is 25, but we need to have 24 as the final constant term. So therefore we must subtract 1 from the 25 obtained. So that gives us 0. So therefore 4 into, now this first bracket is nothing but the square of x plus 2, as we can easily check, plus 9 into, this second bracket is the square of y minus 1, and we take the 1 on right side because that is what we want to finally obtain on right side. So now if you observe, the square term is the only term in the numerator. We should not have any constant multiplier. So if it is there, then we need to take it to the denominator, right? So therefore we can write this as x plus 2 the whole square upon, this 4 taken down will become 1 upon 4, plus similarly we have here, that is y minus 1 the whole square upon 1 upon 9 equal to 1. So now if we compare with the required format, we are almost close to getting the final form. It's just that we need to now write the subtraction in the numerator. So therefore x plus 2 can be written as x minus minus 2 the whole square and similarly the 1 by 4 in the denominator can be written as 1 by 2 the whole square, plus we already have y minus 1 as the subtraction, so nothing to do there, whole upon 1 by 9 can be written as 1 by 3 the whole square equal to 1. So therefore we have brought exactly the required form. So therefore here by comparison we get that h, k, which is the new origin, is nothing but minus 2 and 1. So those are the coordinates of new origin, and looking at the denominators we can easily see that a is 1 by 2 and b is 1 by 3, and we want a positive number, so we cannot write minus 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 3. So in this way we find the required format.